All right. I'm the defender of this game, so I'm over here. All three of my rhino, or four of my rhinos, are the scoring that he's got to destroy, and there's his guys coming at me.
Rhinos are 11, 10?
Yep. So two of them are 12. Okay, sorry about the noise, but this is the bottom of, or the mid of turn one. Basically, I was able to living lightning that guy and tag it. I just try to get these guys so they might survive a round. In the shooting phase. Oh wait, got to pop the smoke. Because I'm still in the shooting phase and there is no assault phase, so we are popping smoke to survive one more chance, and we shall see what happens. Oh, this is not a good game. These are my three. These already got the points. It's probably going to go poorly. Anywho, here we go. Fucked up on this guy. I didn't death or glory with my power fist and he ran off the board. These guys are broken. They're within 6 inches, so they're going to run off the board. I'm just so freaking happy right now. Pretty much shit's done. I should have attacked. That was my bad. That's what I get for being a pro. Okay, so essentially I lost 2 units that ran off the table. I've got 3 of my scores left. These guys are going to try to hold off and slow them down. I've taken out all his vehicles, so it's just a matter of running stuff down. My lone wolf moved up. We'll see what happens in the next few rounds, and we'll go through there. Not looking good, but we all learn from our mistakes.